So yeah, if you haven't caught on yet, I've been trying to do a sort of horror thing considering what month it is. Well, for the time of upload. But the only problem is I haven't read or watched many horror related material, which is kind of a shame. But one quick trip to Netflix reminded me of a classic horror style series from my childhood, Courage the Cowardly Dog. This is an old Cartoon Network show, which aired back during what a lot of people consider the golden age of the channel, late 90s, early 2000s. The basic plot is recapped at the beginning of every episode. Courage, a dog of indistinguishable breed, is a pet to a pair of old people, Muriel and Eustace Bagg, where they live in the middle of nowhere. With a name like that, well, what can you expect? A vast empty field of emptiness with not much going on around. However, weird and supernatural stuff somehow finds its way onto the Baggs' doorstep, and Courage must overcome his various cowardice in order to protect his owner, specifically Muriel, as Eustace can often die in any episode. So yeah, the plot basically acts like a randomized obstacle course for Courage, as he has to maneuver his way around everything in order to protect Muriel, specifically as Eustace constantly bullies the poor dog, and often deserves what he gets. Courage is a very much the star of the show, being a driving force behind everything, as Muriel is often oblivious to the danger that surrounds her and Eustace, and with Eustace often being a joke and being brutalized by the monster of the week. With that said, there's no overarching story to explore. It's just really a monster of the week formula. So with that said, I think I'll spend the rest of the episode stating a few standout episodes from the first season. They aren't my favorites necessarily, but they're ones that first come to mind when I think of the series. Night of the Werewolf. This episode exemplifies what I love about this series. How hilarious it is, and how kind of random it. After Muriel is bitten by a werewolf, she begins to transform when the full moon comes out, with the only cure being a hair from the original monster. Courage has no choice but to hunt it down while avoiding being bitten himself, and of course, it's a very hilarious episode. The next one up is King Ramses' Curse, which traumatized me and terrorized me as a kid. The plot is basic, as some thieves steal an ancient slab containing the spirit of King Ramses. Of course, it ends up on the Baggs' doorstep, and now it's their problem, with the ghostly king ravaging the house with various curses, as has to return the slab to put an end to all of it and save the Baggs. Again, something that terrified me was the look of the king. They use early CG for this, and he looks terrifying compared to the show's basic art style, which already itself was pretty out there. It's really, really an episode that kind of scarred my brain. Next up is an episode that I believe exemplifies again how funny the show can be, with The Gods Must Be Goosey. This one isn't scary by far, it's just really hilarious, with a divine goose god falling in love with Muriel and whisking her off, and Courage of course chasing after him in order to protect her. Again, this episode is pretty much just pure comedy, but it's the show's comedy, so it's pretty much perfect slapstick stuff. And finally, the great Fusellini, the finale of season 1. And it's pretty much as great as everything else. As an alligator, because it's this kind of show, called the Great Fusellini, comes to nowhere and recruits the Baggs for his show, basically promising that they can all strike it rich. However, ultimately he just wants to turn them into puppets for his show, and now Courage must outact this destiny in order to save the day. As I said before, these aren't necessarily my favorite episodes, just some episodes that pop into my mind whenever I think about the series. Now, I have heard the rumors of a series revival thanks to a CG pilot that's been bumping around the internet for a while now. However, no official word on the true revival has come out yet, but it's a really cool thought to think that someday the series could return for a new generation. But until then, we'll have it on Netflix, so till next time.